Okay, so if your massage having a problem making sounds, but when you remove the leather, it not making any sound, then it probably you didn't stick the Velcro in the right way. We have two line of Velcro right here. It's supposed to go to this place and got it stick together. And there's another thing that you need to make sure is it got tight and got going all the way down. There's no gap between the plastic cover and the back leather. Okay, so when you stick it together and it goes tight, it's not gonna make any sound anymore. Thank you.